ng pag-take because of internet connections. Sabi ng iba yata is na-disconnect sila kanina. Okay, so anyway, it's okay if you retake the test, the simple test. It's okay lang din naman. Now, we will have a short overview of the exam. Let me discuss to you the solutions on or the correct solutions for the different problems, especially when it comes to the program logic design part. Yung programming natin, simulation with flow charting, algorithm, and pseudocode. Okay? Yung mga terminologies, additional knowledge lang siya sa inyo, baka kasi ma-encounter nyo doon, at least na familiarize kayo with the terms, and it's up to you not to do an advanced reading dun sa mga concepts na yon, especially yung data when it comes to data structures, yung file access natin, the database, information assurance and security. So yun mga concept na yun are really important also in the diagnostic examination because sabi ko nga sa inyo, the exam is too broad. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung lalabas dun sa multiple choice na I think 1 to 15 or 1 to 20. Parang 1 to 15. And sa 30 points na, sa 30 items ng examination or 30 points, total score is 30 points, dapat at least maka 25 ka to get, for you to pass the level 1 exam. And for you to be allowed to take the level 2 hands-on exam. So hanggat hindi ka nakakuha ng 25 points dun sa diagnostic, you will not be allowed to take the level 2 exam. So if you will check the exam, 30 points, then 5 points lang dapat yung mali mo. So each item is very important, especially kapag doon na sa actual exam natin. Sa actual exam. Okay? So let me discuss to you the different questions posted in kahoot.it. Okay? So kukunin ko lang, paano ko ba ito kukunin? Let me share to you this one. Okay, okay, wait lang ha. Sineset up ko lang yung game. Okay, let me share to you my screen. Nasaan na yun? Nasaan na? This one. Okay, nakikita ba? Ay, wait lang. Hindi ko pala na-share yung share screen. This one. So, may I know if okay sa inyo yung screen ng Kahoot? Okay lang ba? Ayan, nakikita ba yung ano natin, yung Kahoot.it na screen? If we check the summary, we have 92 players, and the difficult question is number 44. Yung question number 44 is the difficult question because only 25% got the correct answer. Okay, check natin kung ano pa yung iba pang question na medyo mahirap. Number 37. Okay, number 37 about multimedia and graphics. 26% lang yung nakuha ng tamang sagot. Question number 12 for program logic design, array looping and conditional statements, 26 lang din yung nakuha ng tamang sagot. programming and internet, 27. Pero the rest naman, I think, especially yung, importante yung may mga flowchart, no? Because malaki yung points niya doon sa diagnostic exam. Ayan. So far, so good. So good to be true. Yung results ng test ninyo. We have here, tingnan natin yung, paano ba makita dito yung, we have here 98%. Okay, meron tayong isang 98%, 96%, and 93%. Actually, dalawa yung 93%. Ay, hindi, meron pa isang 96% dito, correct answers. Kaya lang, sa ranking, makikita natin yung points. Nagdepende yon doon sa time. Gaano kakabilis sumagot doon sa exam. Take note, importante rin yon yung time management kasi especially pagdating sa hands-on, meron lang limit yung pag-take mo ng exam. Sa diagnostic, I don't know if nililimit na ngayon ng DICT yung pag-take ninyo. Parang 2 hours yata, 3 hours, or 4 hours, or 1 hour. Pero sa hands-on kasi, that's 3 hours lang yung programming part kasi merong orientation. I think 3 hours or 6 hours yung hands-on exam, parang ganon. So, importante yung gaano ka kabilis sumagot or masagutan mo yung problem. Okay? So far naman, maganda yung results natin kasi almost ilan to? Marami yung nakuha ng at least 50% doon sa test natin. Okay? Need help? 40. So, ayan. Practice pa ng practice para makuha nyo yung masagutan nyo ng tama yung mga questions. Okay. Now, let us proceed with the sum. Okay. Ganito yung view niyo, no? Kapag nag-start kayo ng exam. Okay. So, first problem is you need to express the decimal number 10 in the binary, octal, and hexadecimal notation. So, alam ko naman lahat naman kayo is alam kung paano mag-convert ng binary to decimal to binary to octal and hexadecimal. Anyone, kung sino yung, nasa na yun pa tatlo. Mamaya natin pag-usapan yung top 3. Yung top 3. Okay. So, what do you think is the correct answer for this one? Is it 110 in binary, 13 in octal, letter B in hexadecimal, or 1010 in binary, 12 in octal, and A in hexadecimal? Is it 1011 in binary, 11 in octal, 11 hexadecimal? Or is it 1011 octal, 12 hexadecimal? Okay, we have one. Ayan, merong sumagot. Diamond. Okay. Now, ayan, sabi nila diamond. Now, let me give you an idea. If we encounter this kind of problem, it's better for you to use the base 2, which is binary. Kasi pag nasa binary ka, madali mo lang i-convert into octal and hexadecimal. You only need to know how to convert binary to octal and decimal. And converting decimal to binary, we only need to use the power of 2. Okay? Yung una, 2 raised to 0. Pangalawa, 2 raised to 1. Pangatlo, 2 raised to 2. Pang-apat, 2 raised to 4. So if we will write this one, 2 raised to 4 bits, yung pa natin, no, yung nagawa natin, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2 raised to 2, 1, 2 raised to 0. Okay? kasi yata. O yan. Ayan, tanggalin ko na yung audio. O, ayan, okay na ba? Much better ba? Yung natin, tinanggal ko na yung audio. Okay, so if we will write this one, we have 8, we have 4, we have 2, we have 1. Okay? So, isipin natin, yung decimal is 10. What bit yung kailangan nating i-on, or what are the bits na kailangan nating i-on para makuha natin yung 10? So, we only need to do addition sa ating bit value. So, we have now, so 8, probably, yung pinaka-highest, 8 is yung pinaka-highest na pwede nating gamitin kasi below 10 siya, yung pinaka-highest. So, we need to on this one. 1, okay. So, we have 8 na. So, 8 minus 10 or 10 minus 8, we have remaining 2. Meron bang kasya sa 2 rito? Sakto, meron. Which is the second bit. So, we need now to on, we need to off 4, we need to on 2, we need to off 1. That is now 10 in decimal. Okay? So, hanapin natin ngayon yung merong 10. Sabi ninyo diamond. So, ito lang naman yung may 10. Okay, 1010. Okay? So, correct. Now, in octal naman, paano makuha yun in octal, yung solution na yon, we only need to get in octal naman, di ba, we have 1010, okay? We need to divide the string into 3, okay? 3 bits. 1, 0. So magkakaroon ngayon ng 0, 0, 1, tapos 0, 1, 0. Again, power of 2, kunin natin yung unang set ng bits, yung 0, 0, 1, that is equivalent to 1. Okay? And the other one, on the right part, 0, 1, 0, that is 4, 2, 1. Okay? So yung naka-on dyan is 2. So we have 2. Okay? Now, it means we have 12 in octal. Okay? Now, for hexadecimal naman, we need to divide the, or group the bit strings into, binary strings into 4. So, since we have 4, saktong-sakto siya, okay, 1010. Now, if we will convert this one into hexadecimal, that is 10. Okay? That is 10. Now, pagdating kasi sa 10, sa double digits in hexadecimal, hindi na tayo gumagamit ng number 6, ng number. Okay? We use letters. So, 10 is equivalent to A. 11 is equivalent to B. 12 is equivalent to C. 13 is equivalent to D. 14 is E. 15 is letter F. So, yun yung last letter natin sa hexadecimal, letter F. Kaya nga, if you will get the hexadecimal value of color block, di ba? Ang color block natin 000000, 6 kanyan, 6 bit string, okay? Ang color naman na white, we have FFF 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay? So yun yung hexadecimal value natin. Okay, next is, okay, ayan, nataasan ako ni Robin. Sino yun? Okay, next question is, analyze the situation below and determine what appropriate solution was taken by the user. So sabi dyan, an email with the subject of caution, new computer virus, was received from the external network. Now, the sender is not a recognized person and the truth of the content is unknown. So, walang alam si user. However, the email describes the characteristics of the virus and it instructs that the email must be forwarded to as many people as possible. Now, which of the following is an appropriate response with regard to this email? As user ka, na-encounter mo, meron ka na-receive na email with subject caution new computer virus. So, ano yung dapat mong gawin? Is it the email should be forwarded to acquaintances? The email is forwarded to all employees? in your company. The email is not forwarded or must not be forwarded to anyone, or email, or you will send an email to the sender. You will send an email to the sender to ask for countermeasures against the virus. So what do you think is the appropriate solution or measure or appropriate response to this threat? Okay? Now, of course, number one is, obviously, kapag ginawa mo yan, kakalat yung virus. The same with letter B, yung diamond natin, yung blue. Pinorward mo sa lahat ng employees sa company ninyo. Okay? Of course, natitira na lang yung letter Z and wala palang letter. Yung circle and yung rectangle. Square. Yung orange and yung green. So what do you think is the most appropriate for this scenario? Okay? Pag ginawa natin yung green, okay? Tinanong mo yung nag-send sa'yo ng kung ano paano maalis yung virus na yon, obviously, you should not do that. Okay? So the correct answer is this one. Okay? Next, be careful kayo sa mga tricky questions dun sa multiple choice sa diagnostic kasi akala natin yun na yung tamang sagot. You need to internalize and you really need to analyze the items posted doon. Okay? Next is, it is the term used to describe the volume of work processed by a system during a specific time period. So merong specific time. So yung volume na trabaho ng system doon, anong tawag natin sa kanya? Okay, is it access time? Is it overhead or turnaround time? Or is it throughput? Okay, so access time obviously is will not refer to a volume of work process. Overhead, probably, of course, hindi rin siya, pwede siyang volume of work, but when we say overhead, okay, kaya nga over, mga excess na mga processes, okay? Now, when we say throughput and turnaround time, probably pwede yung turnaround, pwede rin yung throughput. But we are referring to the volume of work processed by a system during a specific time period. Now, turnaround time refers to the time. Okay? Throughput refers to the volume of work process or the number of, or the gaano karaming process yung process ng system. Okay? So, it means we need. Okay. Now, next is how many bits are needed in a computer memory if a text file contains the word hello world? Okay, nung session 1 natin, binigay ko na itong question na to. How many bits? We're talking about bits. Okay? Kapag daw yung notepad mo, merong, or text file, merong hello world, tapos exclamation mark, okay? Let me share to you, okay? Let me share to you my notepad, okay? Ayan, open ako ng notepad. Ayan, open ako ng notepad. Nakita niyo na yung notepad ko, notepad. Nakashare na ba yung notepad? Okay, notepad. Ngayon, type ako ng hello world. Then, exclamation mark. Tama? So, isave ko ngayon yung notepad ko as xxx.txt. Okay? Now, isave ko siya sa documents ko. Okay, pag pupunta ko ngayon sa documents ko, no? Okay. Punta ako sa documents ko ngayon. Tingnan natin kung hindi ko ma-issue yung documents. Nasa documents ko na. Where is my documents? Ito. Okay, punta ko ngayon sa documents ko. Nakita ko yung documents na folder. Okay, hanapin ko yung x.x. Nakita nyo dyan, 1 KB, 1 kilobyte. Okay? Because that is the minimum measurement nung storage or nung memory space or storage space na na-consume yung text file. But if I go to the properties, okay, tingnan natin ngayon. Saan na yan? Tingnan natin ngayon, properties. Okay? Makita natin dyan 12 bytes. Bakit 12 bytes? Kasi pag inopen natin yung ating text file, pag chinik natin ating text file, we have how many characters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including white space, kasama yon, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bakit 12 characters is equivalent to 12 bytes? Kasi nga, 1 character is equivalent to 1 byte. Okay? And 1 byte, take note in our computing system, 1 byte is equivalent to 8 bits. Tama? So, if we have 12 bytes times 8 bits, how many bits do we need sa memory para ma-save natin yung text file natin? Okay? That is around 96 bits or 12 bytes. Okay? Now, let's go back with our Kahoot. Okay, nasa na si Kahoot natin. Yun. Okay, the correct answer is 96 bits or 12 bytes. Okay, next. If you have questions pala, no, you can chat it dun sa chat box natin, dun sa mga questions na dinadaanan natin kasi hindi na natin siya mababalikan. If you have questions dun sa dinidiscuss ko. Okay, next. In data structure, a list is a set of identical or similar data placed logically in one line. Okay, placed logically in one line. Okay, is it true or false? When we say list, yung list natin, parang katulad ng yung sequential access. But meron siyang reference. Okay? Si point ni item, data item na ito, for example, data item A, si ang preceding niya, ang succeeding ko niya, a data item, may reference, naka-reference sa kanya, kay data item A. So, logically speaking, okay, merong connection yung mga data items natin through a reference. Okay? So, it means that is true. Okay? Next is, it is a data structure that expresses the hierarchical structure between elements. Para may hierarchy. Okay? So, na-discuss na rin natin ito nung last session 2. Pag mayroong hierarchy, we're talking about example, family tree. Okay? So, of course, obviously, the correct answer is okay. Next is, we have if the following sequence is carried out, which of the following is the value of A? Okay, maraming nalito dito. Okay? Sabi dyan sa step 1, assign the initial value 2 to A. So, okay. A now is equal to 2. Tama? Then, A daw is equal to A plus 2 kasi inassign natin. So, meaning, A now will have 2 plus 2. What is now the updated value of A? Meron tayong 4. Tama? 4. Now, sabi dyan, sa process number 3 natin, we need to repeat the process to 7 times. Okay? Yung process 2 natin, yung A is equal to A plus 2. Repeat doon natin 7 times. So, for our first iteration, this is part of a looping. Okay? Probably looping. A is equal to A plus 2. That is A is equal now to 4 plus 2. That is A is equal to 6. Okay? Now, in our second iteration, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay? For our third iteration, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. And for our fourth iteration, that is 10 plus 2, now we have 12. And for the fifth iteration, that is 12 plus 2, that is 14. For 6 times 6, that is 14 plus 2, that is 16. And for our 7th iteration, that is 16 plus 2, we have, or we will get, or we will have 18. Okay? So the correct answer for this one is I hope nasusundan nyo yung discussions natin. Okay? Next. Which of the following will be the new values of A and B after executing the following statements in Java? May nakakuha ba ditong tamang sagot? Sige nga, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin nga sa chat box kung sino yung mga sumagot dito or nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Without doing this one in in ID or compiler in C++ or Java, analyzation nyo lang. Okay? Okay, sabi ni Miss Jenny Circle. Okay? Analyze nyo lang sa isip nyo based dun sa mga learnings na napag-aralan na natutunan nyo during the session 1, 2, tas nung last session natin ng Tuesday. Okay. So, what do you think is the correct answer? Ano na yung magiging value ni A at ni B after executing these statements? Now, this concept applies the pre-increment and post-decrement. Okay? So, na-discuss yata yan nung second session. Now, isa-isahin natin. Int A is equal to 5. Okay? Now, ibig sabihin, after executing this statement, A now is equal to 5. Okay? Then, now, int B is equal to 10. Int B is equal to 10. Now, here, B now is equal to 10. Now, for the third statements, B is equal to plus B times 3. Anong sabi natin sa pre-increment? Pag naka-pre, ibig sabihin, we need to update first the value of the variable before we use it in the expression. Okay? Pag post, gamitin na muna natin yung original value after executing the expression, saka natin siya i-update. Since naka-pre-increment tayo, now B becomes 10 plus 1. So B now, B is equal to B times 3. Now B becomes, what is the original value of, what is the new value of B? 11. So if we will do the multiplication here, 11 times 3, that is now B is equal to 33. Okay? Okay, now since we have B is equal to 33, sabi natin dyan, A is equal to B minus minus. Okay, sumagot rin si Dion. Okay, that's a good circle din yung pinili niyang sagot. Okay, tingnan natin later on ha. So next, yung fourth statement natin is A is equal to B minus minus. Sabi natin pag post, ibig sabihin, gamitin mo natin yung original value ni B. Okay? So ano nga yung value na ni B? Ang updated value ni B is equal to 33. Tama? So it means if we will do this, A is equal to 33. Okay? Now, the updated value of 33 of A is 33, then magma-minus tayo ng 1 kay B. Now, B is equal to B minus or B minus 1. Okay? Now, A is equal to 33, tapos B is equal to ano yung updated value ni B? 33 minus 1. Okay? So, ang mangyari dyan, A is equal to 33, B is equal to 32. So, ayan. Okay, tama. The correct answer is circle, yung green. A is equal to 33, B is equal to 32. So, ayan yung solution dun sa chat box natin. Okay? So, pag nag-analyze ng ganitong mga type ng problem or mga algorithm,